Whistle has been blown. Oh, what a good goal! What a good goal! What a good goal! The first goal was scored in favor of Phüvkiu Students Union. Again, another ball to be kicked in favor of Kuthur Students Union. First round sing Aku be Phüvkiu Students Union Mikheto. Chaka Kuthur Students Union Namikheba. That was a good block. That was a good block by the keeper, the undefeated keeper of Phüvkiu Students Union. Again, moving forward on the second round.
무전 나오더고 마음이 미쳤을라도
Oh my word! That was a good block by the keeper. Good block by the keeper. I believe. Is it so?
Lin mucho malado. That's a good decisions. Even also if show. Wow. So that ball. चलो फुक्यू.
The ball has been reversed again.
Shot.
Okay, that was a goal. That was a goal. That was a goal. A goal has been scored by PSU. By PSU. Okay, the ball to be kicked in favor of Kuthur Students Union. Okay. Keeper Rambo, Arambo, Tendeshe, Atachiro, Alala, Ajimanyu Gushi, Hamarawacho. Destiny brings. No matter what, destiny brings. Again. A ball to be kicked again by PSU. Okay, that is a goal! A goal scored by Phüvkiu Students Union again.
2 times.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. A bold kick by Kuthur Students Union. Bold kick. Oh, what a good block!
Wow.
What a good block! What a good block! What a good block! The undisputed keeper! What a good keeper!
Malas na keeper.
Oh my god! That was a good block! Nasa naik yang waktu dah kita asyik berjigip ya, Phüvkiu students ni nak keeper je. Again, the ball to be kick in favor of Phüvkiu Students Union. The ball to be kick by Phüvkiu Students Union. Okay, that is a goal again.
Oh shit, tulang ah.
Alright. The second